Hi friends, welcome all to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to remember P block elements easily by using some phrases, that is by using some hints. And periodic tables we have 4 blocks, that is S, P, D and F. In this the P block is on the right side of the table and I will tell you how to remember this P block elements. And this is P block elements and we have 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th group. First one, 13th block. Just remember the phrase brother Alex got intelligent thought. Brother Alex got intelligent thought. Brother boron. B is boron. Aluminium, Al. Aluminium. Alex, aluminium. Got gallium. Intelligent, India. Thought, thallium. So, brother Alex got intelligent thought. By using this phrase, you can remember these elements. Clear? On the 13th block. And next, this is 14th block elements. Remember the phrase, can sun go to left? Just remember the phrase, can sun go to left? C is carbon, Si silicon, Ge germanium, Sn is tin and Pb is lead. So C carbon, silicon sun, go G germanium, T tin, left L lead. So remember the phrase, can sun go to left? And this is 15th block. Remember the phrase, nobody passed away ants bag. Just remember the sentence, nobody passed away ants bag. N is nitrogen, P phosphorus, arsenic, Sp antimony and bag bismuth. So remember this phrase, nobody, nitrogen, P for past is phosphorus, away A, arsenic, ants, antimony and bag B, bismuth. Okay, just remember the sentence, you can easily remember the elements. And we can go to the 16th block. 16th block of elements. Remember the phrase, oh, she sees telephone. Just remember this sentence. We have oxygen, O. S sulfur, for she, remember sulfur, and C Se selenium, sulfur she, C Se selenium, and telephone, Te tellurium, and Po phone, polonium. So just remember this sentence to remember those elements. Okay. And 17th block of P block elements. And And just remember, fish can't breathe in air. Fish can't breathe in air. F. Fluorine. Cl. Chlorine. Br. Bromine. I. Iodine. And At. Astatine. So F. Fluorine. Fish can't see chlorine. B. Bromine. And in iodine. And A. Air. Astatine. Okay, remember this phrase easily. You can write those elements. And 18th block, remember the phrase, he never arrived. Just for the sentence I am writing so. Okay, he never arrived, so kid xeroxed randomly. Just for the grammatical sentence I am writing so. He never arrived, so he never arrived, so kid xeroxed randomly. He. Helium. He. Ne. Never. Neon. Ar. Arrived. Argon. Kr. Krypton. That is kit and xeroxed. Ze is xenon. And Rn. Radon. So randomly radon. Just remember the sentence so you can easily remember the elements. So just remember the sentence of all the blocks and you can easily remember all the elements and you can solve. Okay, thank you friends for watching my channel, and in the next video I will upload about the S block elements, how you can remember it easily. Thank you.